शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. Can we mix samagri with ghee or oil? As samagri makes the fire becomes lesser as it is dry in nature. Also, can we add ghee or oil without saying mantra, as the fire sometimes becomes lesser with time, although I add sticks to the fire. So what you need to do is, one bowl that contains pure ghee, another bowl that contains all this havan samagri, and also mixed with the ghee. Ghee is mixed with all the havan samagri. For example, if I am using mustard seeds and this sesame seeds, jaggery or sugar, pepper seeds, what you do? You mix all of them and then add the ghee to that mixture and mix it properly. Okay, little bit add more ghee so that it can be wet. All the grains, all the materials can be wet. That you keep one bowl. Another bowl, pure ghee, you can keep it. In the beginning of the havan, use only ghee. Okay, only ghee, because it's just you have lighted the fire. Fire is just catching the all the sticks and other things. If you immediately add the samagri, the fire may go off. And another suggestion is, it is not necessary that you have to add samagri with each ahuti. If I take an example, if I want to add 9 ahuti to Lord Ganesha, okay, then what you can do, 6 to 8 ahuti you can use pure ghee. Okay, then 1 or 2 times you use the mixed samagri of the havan, you add as a ahuti. That you can do it. For example, Ganapati, Om Gam Ganapate Namah Swaha, I add the ghee. Like this, I do it for 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Okay? Then only 3 times I add the samagri. Om Gam Ganapate Namah Swaha. Small amount. You can use this as a mudra when you want to add it. Okay? But if it is mixed with the ghee, now it will be sticky and it is not good for your hand. Then you use the same spoon of this 2 to 3 times that ahuti. So 6 times you have added ghee, 3 times you added the havan material. Or even you can add 8 times ghee, only 1 time havan material, samagri mixture you can add it. This way what happens, you will be more focused with your devotion than managing the fire and adding this and that, where it is more of a mechanical than doing it devotional. Very important ingredient is ghee. You need to understand. Ghee is having the prana, that sattvic paramatatva or the sattvic energy that will reach to the divine. Or it is a carrier. That prana is very powerful. Then you are adding the different samagris that has a vibrations that can help you to fulfill your desires. Okay. Plus you are offering your own prana. Okay, that prana contains the karmas that will delete all the karmas specific to your desire, help you to fulfill your desire. So you manage like this. Don't add every time the mixture of havan samagri. First you add the ghee, okay, and then 1 or 2 times or 3 times you add the havana samagri. If you are doing for 108 times, what you are going to do? First you do with ghee only. Around 90 times you do ghee, or in between I add 27 times, then 1 time I use havan samagri. Then again 27 times I use a ghee, again once havana samagri, again 27. Like this, you divide it as per your convenience. There is no rules. This should be in this proportion, this ratio. No. According to your need, how much you are doing, how many mantras you are doing, you do this havan. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.